Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be unboxing the Universal Yums box for August. Universal Yums is a subscription where you get candies and snacks from different countries every month. This month is going to be England. So I have a really big box. This is the Super Yum box. It's the biggest box you can get, but there's also two other sizes. The first box is $14 a month, and you can get 6 or more snack items in it. And then the next one up is $25, and you get 12 plus snacks. And then the Super Yums is $39 a month, and you get 20 plus snacks as well as more duplicates of the other snacks that people received. So without further ado, let's get into the box. So you see the little British flag here. Boop. And when you open it, you have the flag of the country that you're going to in there first. So on the back, it has all the snacks you're getting and a scoring card. If you and your family or friends enter out the scoring card and post on social media, you can win some free snacks. And then there are what all the goodies look like. So you get a booklet that's on top. The first page basically introduces you to the country, like prepare for quadruple the fun this month because this month we're heading to the delicious trip through the United Kingdom. So England, Scotland, Wales, and Northern Ireland. Not just England, sorry about that. So it's the UK. Then there's some trivia, which is always really interesting. So true or false? Another name for the UK is Great Britain. False. The UK recently named blank as its national dish, and the answer is chicken tikka masala. It also gives an explanation of why and stuff like that. So once you turn that page, then you start getting into all your snacks. And after all the snacks, they just have like challenges and little fun games. They have started doing recipes, so this month it'll be bangers and mash. And then on the back, they have more games, and on the bottom, they have the clue for the country for next month. So I will read you the clue to next month's box. If you sign up today, as of today I've checked, if you get the smallest box or the medium box, you'll start with this box. If you get the Super Yum box, then you will not get it until next month's box. But when you go in to sign up, it'll tell you when your box will be shipping. So if you're going on a day after today, then you can go and see when your first box will be shipped. So the clue to next month's box is, next month we're putting on smiles and hopping on boats to a place filled with temples and markets that float. There'll be lemongrass soup and hot spice curry, so stand by your mailbox and say, mailman, please hurry. So I think I know what next month's country is going to be, but leave in the comments what you think it's going to be. That'll be interesting to see. So let's go ahead, and I'm going to get my booklet so I can tell you about the different snacks. So right on top, I'm seeing jalapeno and sour cream little puffs. Then I am seeing Twirls potato snacks prawn cocktail flavor. Then there's Mackey's of Scotland Ridge Cut Sea Salt and Cider Vinegar Potato Chips. And I forgot to mention, so we'll go to that one. So it has a whole paragraph about why they chose the snack. So fish and chips is the UK's most famous dish. It would be improper without trying it. And it tells you a lot of things. It tells you the ingredients, and if you has certain things that may cause allergies, they do alert you in there as well. So you learn a lot about the country. It would take me forever to get through the Super Yum box reading all of this. If you're interested, I can read it in the future, but for today's purposes, I'm not going to read everything about each snack. Mackey's of Scotland haggis and cracked black pepper potato chips. Johnny's pickled onion rings. And I'm also not going to try these snacks because there's so many of them. Mackey's of Scotland Scotch bonnet chili peppers. So those will be spicy. There's a lot of chips in this box. And then Mackey's of Scotland mature cheddar and onion potato chips. Get into the more sweet things now. Chewy bonbons, rhubarb, and custard. Oh, I love rhubarb. These look good. Then there are Jammy Dodgers in raspberry. Next, there are Stockley's raspberry flavored coconut bars. And they're gluten-free. Then there are Toffee Pops, toffee-filled biscuit with chocolate flavor and coating. Then there is Brazil Nut Toffee. Then there is Dreamy Creamy Toffee. Then there's 4 Wagon Wheel Jammies. So there's a 4 in total of these. Then there is Dean's Light Crumbly Chocolate Chip Shortbread Mini Bites. Oh, those look really good. And the last thing in here is the Yum bag. And I'm just now realizing I don't have scissors right next to me, so I'm going to try to open this like a barbarian. Okay. So they call it your Yum bag, and in the book, there we go, it talks specifically about the stuff in the Yum bag, and I'm gonna have to look here to know which one is which. Let me see. Okay. So this looks like it's the salted caramel fudge with salt. So there's gonna be a bunch of those in there. I'm not gonna pull everything out. Am I lying? Is that what that is? It's hard to tell what's what. There's also a bunch of Walker's Non-Such Treacle Toffee, chewy toffees with treacle. Then there are Cur Royale Chews, blackcurrant and champagne flavored candies. Stocky's Chocolate Limes, lime candies filled with chocolate. And then there's Prosecco Fudge. I'm guessing that's this one. So there's a lot of each. Now, if you get one of the smaller versions, you may be getting some of the same products. You just won't get as many. So you will probably get some of the candies, but you may just get a couple of them and like 2 of one flavor instead of getting like 5 to 10. So the Super Yums has everything that's in everybody's boxes, and then as you go down, there's obviously you don't get everything. I have been getting this box for 2 years now. It's crazy to think that. I think I skipped 1 month. I like unsubscribed and then resubscribed immediately because, sorry, my eye itches, because I missed it so much. It's a lot of fun to learn about different countries and cultures. And then I like to read all of the paragraphs and learn why they chose things, and it tells you history and culture about the different regions or areas you're going to. Last month I think was Taiwan, I believe. But there have been some really cool countries that we've gone to, and if you go to their website, you can see what countries they've done before, and sometimes they do repeat countries. They've only been doing the Super Yum box for a couple months now, maybe 4 months or so, so that box is fairly new. Same with the recipes. I think they've only been doing the recipes for 2 months. So if you're interested, I will have a link in my bio. If you're into unboxing videos, you can go ahead and subscribe because I'll be posting a lot more unboxing videos in the future. Anyway, I hope you have a great day, and I will see you in my next video.